Today, I'm taking a short trip from Málaga to Torremolinos, a seaside town on Spain's famous Costa del Sol. Málaga is a historic coastal city in southern Spain, located along the Mediterranean Sea in the region known as Andalusia. From here, several beautiful seaside towns are just a short distance away, and Torremolinos is one of the easiest to reach, even if you only have a few hours to explore. The journey from Málaga to Torremolinos is quick and simple. I took the Cercanías C1 commuter train, which connects Málaga with several towns along the Costa del Sol and also stops at Málaga Airport. Trains run regularly throughout the day, and the ride takes only about 20 minutes. For travelers exploring this region, it's one of the most convenient and affordable ways to move between coastal towns. Not long after leaving Málaga, the train arrives in Torremolinos. Today, the town is known as one of the most popular seaside destinations in southern Spain, but many years ago, it was just a small fishing village. During the tourism boom of the 1950s and 1960s, the Costa del Sol began attracting visitors from across Europe, and Torremolinos quickly grew into an international holiday destination. While walking through the town, I came across something a little unexpected: a columbarium cemetery. Unlike traditional cemeteries with large graveyards, a columbarium stores cremated remains in small memorial niches built into walls. This type of cemetery is quite common in Spain, especially in urban areas where space is limited. Many of the niches are decorated with flowers, photographs, and personal messages. Even though it is a place connected with remembrance, the atmosphere feels calm and peaceful. Sunlight reflects on the white walls, and the colorful flowers create a quiet space where people come to remember their loved ones. From there, I continued walking toward the sea. Torremolinos is built slightly above the coastline, so many streets lead down toward the beach through stairways and pedestrian paths. As I walked downhill, the view slowly opened up, and the Mediterranean Sea began to appear between the buildings. That first glimpse of the sea always feels special. The path leads toward Playa del Bajondillo, one of the main beaches in Torremolinos. The beach stretches for about a kilometer and sits just below the town center, making it very easy to reach on foot. The sand is soft, the water is usually calm, and the beach is a popular place for both visitors and locals to relax. Running along the promenade is a long seaside promenade filled with cafés, restaurants, and small shops. Many of the restaurants here are traditional beach establishments known in Spain as chiringuitos. They specialize in fresh seafood and Mediterranean dishes. One of the most famous local foods along this coast is espetos, sardines grilled over an open fire right beside the beach. It's simple, traditional, and very much part of the food culture of the Costa del Sol. Walking along the promenade, it's easy to understand why this coastline became so popular with travelers. The sea, the sunshine, and the relaxed atmosphere make it easy to slow down and enjoy the moment. After spending some time by the beach, I walked back toward the center of Torremolinos. The town center is lively and full of pedestrian streets where people walk, shop, and sit in cafes. One of the most well-known streets here is Calle San Miguel, the main shopping street of the town. The street is lined with clothing stores, souvenir shops, restaurants, and small cafes where people stop to rest and enjoy the atmosphere. Nearby, there is also a large pedestrian square called Plaza Costa del Sol. This open space has become one of the main gathering places in Torremolinos, where people meet friends, walk around, or simply enjoy the warm Mediterranean weather. As you explore the streets, you quickly notice the relaxed lifestyle of southern Spain. Outdoor cafes are everywhere, and it's common to see people sitting outside enjoying coffee, tapas, or a drink while watching the activity of the street. Along many sidewalks, you can also see orange trees growing beside the streets. These are bitter orange trees, commonly planted in cities across southern Spain because they grow well in the warm climate and look beautiful when the trees are full of fruit. Another small detail you might notice in Mediterranean towns is the presence of street cats. In many Spanish cities, these cats are part of community colonies where local volunteers provide food and care. Even though my visit to Torremolinos was only for a few hours, it offered a nice glimpse into life on the Costa del Sol. From the quick train ride from Málaga to the quiet memorial space, the sunny beach, and the lively streets of the town center, the town shows many different sides of Mediterranean life. And as the day slowly winds down and the streets begin to quiet again, it feels like the perfect moment to keep walking a little further and see what the next place might reveal. And if you enjoy discovering places like this through slow walks, local stories, and everyday moments, then there are many more journeys like this still waiting ahead.